Okay, I'm setting a very strong 5-minute constraint. I'm in like a next level hurry today.
Bruh.
Good evening, welcome back to In the Khud. This is 11th of August 2022, 20:42, 8:42 p.m. and woke up at 5:30. Momentum on point. Last 4 days we've been waking up at 5:30, so it's just become like second nature now. So the basic Blender sculpting tutorial and a follow-up one as well. Need to understand anatomy very well to be able to sculpt realistic characters. No way around it. A lot of referencing, studying, and a lot of playing around with sculpt brushes. Loosen up. I made 2 face sculpts today. I will just open both of the files. So this was the first one.
Bruh.
Now I know it's very this one is kind of scary though. I was trying to make a very simple one. Like this is the first ever sculpt that I've done. Okay, so be a little nice.
Bruh.
The proportions here, it looks like a character, like an elongated face. I don't know why, but yeah, I did get the proportions more or less right in this one. And then if I see the other one, where is recent file? After a bit of referencing, and this is okay. Yeah, this I got these 2 references from this book, anatomy book, and this is how it looks now. Okay, right off the bat it was looking a bit weird, but it's not that weird as well. So this, I'll just go to the object mode because I don't like the. Now of course here one important thing is the proportions are matching according to this reference, so that is taken care of from the side. It's not, of course there's a hole here. These are like my very first sculpts, so don't expect them to be amazing, but yeah, the point of this being that I am starting to sculpt and I'm starting to enjoy the process of sculpting a lot now. So we'll continue sculpting something at least every single day, so we get in the groove and the habit of how like to get along with this. That was one big thing today. 2 sculpts. Did not mention I had to go to office today. I did not go to office because there was no need to be in office.
Bruh.
For the full-time job, the Independence Day video I made yesterday, there were a few changes internally and then it went to the client. There are more changes now externally, so I have to work on that tomorrow. A change of plan here was to do 5 to 6 episodes of show 2. I ended up doing 2 episodes of show 2 because those 2 episodes had like ton of music in them, so that's the progress there. Recently, like just an hour before this, I discovered I wanted to basically make sure that I can edit with the keyboard and not have to use the mouse. So for that I have got to this kind of a work around here. So let's say this is how I'm editing this video. Okay, this is the video that I'm editing. Anyway, this is the main audio that's playing on A1. Now 2 important things here is, now I'll just show you what it's doing, the script. If I press G1, it just inserts. Now for some reason I cannot see it, but it just inserts the bra sound effect there, and if I press G2, it just inserts the sound effect. So again, G1 is bra sound effect, bra. I don't know why I can't see it. Sometimes it's just glitching, I can't see it, but G1 and G2 are working the way they should. Now an important concept that I just understood inside Premiere Pro here is, there is a thing called this. If you come in here and select anything, see, one is the track, so toggle track. This is when you are like inside the timeline, you want to do something like move things here and there. That's where this comes into picture. But whenever you want to put something from the source panel or from the project panel, source monitor or the project panel into the timeline, we have 2 operations that we can do inside. In fact, actually multiple. Like if you just drag this clip here, you'll see overlay, insert after, replace, overwrite. So the 2 very common ones is insert and overwrite. That's comma and period. So I will tell you what I mean. If I come in here and I press comma, it will insert the clip. And where will it insert? Which the source patch which is active. So if I was to make this active, and now if I was to come and insert here, I would press comma, it will insert on this track. No, it doesn't matter which toggle is on for the tracks. Okay, so of course I need the bottom one to be selected, and the other one is overwrite instead of insert. So if I come in here and press period, it is just going to put it there. Now of course I want to keep this one active and I don't want to insert, because if I insert, then that's going to disrupt my timeline at the top, which I don't want while editing. So what I basically want to do is override. So come in here, select this and press period. So that's what it is doing. Now the script, auto hotkey script that is doing that is here. Oh, we've exceeded. So I will just quickly open it up. This is the script. This is the functions, insert bra and insert ooh. These are basically add audio track. Actually then these are not needed. I was initially trying to do that, so I can remove that. Add audio to track 2 and track 1. It makes the project panel active, then goes one step more ahead to get to the SFX bin. It selects the first one. Again, I'm doing it only for In the Khud vlog, so there are only 2 sound effects I use. Otherwise I would go in here and that's causing a lot of problems, so I'm not doing that. Select the first one, period for overwrite, not insert in timeline, overwrite. should be into overwrite on to timeline, and probably put a few comments about the source patching thing so that I remember it. And then this is removing, again these can be removed later, so a little tweaking is needed here, but I'm getting super late right now, so I will stop this here. And I am not trying to edit this video with the thing because I said muscle memory is needed, but one good thing is I have figured out how I can just simply press one key here and have, I can't see this for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe you have to keep it very zoomed in or what, but you just press G1 and G2 and you get these. So that was one progress for the day. 7 minutes, and we're gonna stop recording here. Thank you so much for being in the club. I will see you tomorrow, hopefully in a more patient and a relaxed manner, to have a lot more to document, but that's how today life is. I will see you tomorrow. Peace.